Hi, this is Joe Biondo. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly crop an image using Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to crop an image today. I have a couple ways to show you, but first we need to open up an image. So go to Open when you're in Photoshop or just in your folder. Open, and we want to do this would be exercise 2 if you're following along with the workshop. We want to do the MLB logos. So hit Open. And so since I want to show you two different ways, I want to show you how to duplicate an image. So the way you would do that is you're going to go Image, Duplicate, okay? And then I'll make a second copy of the image. So if you just hit OK, now you have two copies of the same image. So on the first one, the first tab here, let's crop one of the logos. So I'm just going to pick one here. Let's try to crop the Cincinnati Reds logo here. And so the easiest way to do it is we're going to click on the fourth icon here, the crop tool. Okay, so we'll click on the crop tool. And you see that on the top, the corners, and the sides, you can kind of pinch it in as you would like in PowerPoint or a tool like that. So we're going to start trying to move this so that we can create a box around the Cincinnati Reds logo. So I'm going to left click, I'm going to pull down. So, all right, so that looks to be okay above. Let's move this one over. Okay, so that looks good. We'll take this selector, we'll move it up. Okay, and then can move that over. Okay, so one there, just kind of pinch it up if you need to. Okay, so when it looks pretty good, when you're happy with it, to lock it in, go in and go and click on the Move tool here at the top. So if you click on the Move tool, now you have your first cropped image. Okay, so that's one way to do it. That's probably the easiest way to do it. But I'll show you the other way that you can crop an image if you want to do it. So I'm clicking on the second copy, and so let's pick another one here. I'm going to pick the Colorado Rockies image. Okay. Um, you can you take your rectangular marquee tool, click on that, and then we're gonna create a box around the Colorado Rockies logo. So I'm gonna left click around here and keep holding until I make a box around the Colorado Rockies. Right, so I have the selector there. My box is around the Colorado Rockies. And so your next step would be image at the top, and then we're going to do crop, and then click crop, and there's your image. Let's click on the selection tool, the rectangular marquee, click here in the off the image, and that deselects it. And now you have two ways in which you know how to crop. I'll talk to you on the next lesson.